Gold Award Girl Scout Olivia Trader empowered young women through her project, College Safety and Awareness, a girl's guide to choosing the safest campus. Olivia conducted in-depth research on campus crime statistics, self-defense practices, and safety resources. She compiled her findings into a 5,000-word research guide to help girls evaluate campus safety when choosing a college. She created a new model to help girls evaluate college safety and shared it with her peers at the Canterbury School. She then collaborated with school administrators to integrate the guide into the college counseling program. Olivia developed a council-wide college safety awareness badge and hosted workshops on self-defense and crime prevention for fellow Girl Scouts. Her project established a lasting resource to help future students stay informed and empowered.
What I learned from this project was that I really did need to do some self-reflection when it came to my own experience with college, because to be truthful, I really did not know much about safety going into the college application process. When I was looking at what colleges I wanted to apply to, I thought of the same, top factors that everyone does. And it really opened my eyes to be able to have that worldwide view and see how each of the campuses compare to each other, not just prestige, not just scholarships, not just location, but based on their safety, based on how safe it is, based on how secure I will feel if I go there. And I want other girls to have that feeling of security too. Being able to lead a team and make a difference in my school, in groups, in the community, on social media, globally, to be able to bring this issue to the table and spark more conversations and awareness surrounding college safety at the high school level, that was truly impactful and it meant a lot to me. I would absolutely encourage other girls to pursue their Gold Award. It truly makes a difference in your life and, of course, other lives. And I think it really prepares girls with real-life skills such as leadership and motivation and wanting to be a leader, wanting to make a change. And you truly do become a change maker, which is really, really amazing. You get to be a role model for other girls. So my advice would be, plan early, start early, and be motivated. Be passionate about the topic you choose, because that is so important throughout this process. And if you choose something you're passionate about and you get a head start on it, you will be equipped for success. My name is Olivia Trader, and I am a Gold Award Girl Scout.